This is an introduction to the Plans Online features of the new Builders Exchange of Rochester virtual Planroom, powered by ReproConnect. This video is for upgraded members. For a general introduction to the online Planroom, click the link in the description below to watch the previous video. Let's look at the project screen as it appears to members with the Plans Online upgrade. If you simply want to download all files for this project, including plans, specs, and addenda, you can click Download on this page. You'll get an option to download the entire project as a zip file. Within the Plans tab, you'll see a list of all groups of plans. In some cases, plans may be split into folders and into pages, as is shown here, while in other cases, plans may be put into a single folder or uploaded as a single file. You can add folders of plans to your download queue. For example, we could add the plans from the architectural folder and the electrical folder to the download queue by clicking the download button in each folder. Your downloads will appear in the navigation bar near the top of the screen, and you can hit Continue to download them as a zip file. Likewise, you can order any combination of plans as prints. You can order the entire section or individual files. When you've made your selection, you can view your cart by clicking the cart icon. Note that if an estimated cost is shown, it will assume you're printing in black and white. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Choose Customer Pickup under Shipping Method and Invoice My Account under Payment Method. Click Continue. Review details and click Confirm and Place Order. Back in the project screen, let's review the Specs tab. In some cases, specs will be split into divisions or sections, while in other cases, they may be combined. You can download all files from this section or individual files. Finally, the Addenda tab will include any current addenda. This concludes our tour of the upgraded features available in the Builders Exchange Planroom for upgraded members.